One day, Thomas was pulling a very long train. A train so big that it was too heavy for him to pull, but he didn't care. So he went anyway. But on his way, he got stuck on a very steep hill. But eventually, he got his wheels gripping on the track. So he went up, but he was stuck again. He tried to get a better grip on the tracks again, but he still couldn't do it. Percy, aka Thomas's best friend, just finished pulling the mail train and he was just gonna go do his other jobs. But on his way, he crashed into Thomas. But the crash actually helped him go forward a bit. Oh my god, Thomas, I'm sorry. What do you mean by sorry, Percy? You helped me at first, but... Oh wait, now I just realized. Yeah, it's okay. I'll get a better grip then. Dieselton saw what had happened, so he instantly went to get revenge on Thomas for crashing him. So Dieselton went around the bend and crashed. This is revenge for derailing me the other day, Thomas. Thomas didn't really know what to say. And I just think that wraps up today's episode. Wait, who's that? It's Splatter, and he just bumped into Thomas and derailed himself.